Boog, and I'm going to show you how to make a volcano. First, construction of the volcano. First, what we're going to need is some air-dry clay. Maybe if you're going to make a tall volcano, then you're going to need 2 air-dry clay from Walmart, maybe a supply store, local supply store that you know. Basically, in town, you can go find something like that. And so, what we have to do is you take a test tube, and any kind of test tube, maybe, but one that has a narrow mouth on it, just to make sure that it will erupt right. Just make sure it has a narrow mouth. You can use pop bottles, plastic bottles, or even glass bottles, as long as it has a narrow mouth, which means it's skinny right here and fat in the bottom. First, what you're going to need to do is you're going to take and you're going to use your air-dry clay to make little loops. And what you're going to do is you're going to make a ring, maybe the size of a big finger, really big finger. And so what you do is you first take a little bit of a loop, maybe this big, as big as it is for your narrow mouth. And then you're going to stick it onto the top of your test tube and keep on making loops, more and more loops, and as big as it needs to be for right here. It can be bigger and bigger and bigger, so it really looks like a real volcano. Then we're going to talk about what you need. First, what you're going to need some vinegar, apple cider vinegar, any kind of vinegar, whatever you got. And then you're going to use some food coloring so you can make it look like real lava, because vinegar is going to be your lava for it to erupt. Baking soda is just the part that makes it erupt. And so I don't have any red, but I would use red so it really looks like real lava. It'll come out bubbly, so it makes it look realistic. And then you're going to use this. And please note this, you don't have to make it look like a real volcano. You can just use it as just a really cool little experiment. And so you're going to use, like I said, I already poured vinegar in there. And then you're going to pour some of this in here. Make it really look like it. And you might want to do this a little so it looks better. And then you're going to need baking soda. So first you're going to take the baking soda. And you're going to pour it in, but you're going to need a spoon. Pour maybe 1 spoon in a big spoon. And then it's about to erupt. And that's how you make a real miniature volcano.